What if I told you there's a technological revolution brewing, a convergence of decentralized physical infrastructure and artificial intelligence that could fundamentally change how we interact with data, compute, and even our physical world? A revolution so profound that it's birthing an entirely new class of digital assets, and you, yes you, have an opportunity to be an early participant. We're talking about DependAI token projects, a fascinating and incredibly promising intersection that's often shrouded in complex terminology and technical jargon. But what if I told you there's a straightforward, user-friendly platform that's making it simpler than ever to dive into this cutting-edge space? A platform that acts as your gateway, your guide, and your partner in navigating the exciting, high-potential world of DependAI? Today, we're going to demystify DependAI token projects and, more importantly, show you exactly how to leverage a powerful tool called Newton to enter this burgeoning ecosystem. Forget the fear of missing out, or the frustration of not knowing where to start. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what DependAI entails, why it matters, and a step-by-step roadmap to begin your journey with Newton. First things first, let's unpack Depend and AI. You've heard of decentralized finance, or DeFi, right? Well, Depend stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Think of it as DeFi for the real world. Instead of centralized companies owning and operating critical infrastructure like data centers, energy grids, or even wireless networks, Depend projects aim to decentralize these operations. This means that individuals or communities can contribute their resources, their hard drives, their GPUs, their internet bandwidth, and be rewarded for it. Imagine a world where anyone can contribute to a global network of sensors collecting environmental data, or a distributed network of GPUs powering AI computations, all without a single central authority. This isn't just a theoretical concept. It's happening right now, with projects building everything from decentralized wireless networks to distributed data storage. The beauty of Depend lies in its resilience, its efficiency, and its ability to unlock new forms of value creation by empowering individuals. Now, layer artificial intelligence on top of that. AI, as we know, is transforming every industry, from healthcare to entertainment. But traditional AI often relies on massive, centralized data sets and powerful, often proprietary, computing infrastructure. This creates bottlenecks, privacy concerns, and can limit innovation. This is where the magic of DependAI truly shines. By combining decentralized infrastructure with AI, we can achieve several groundbreaking advancements. We can have AI models trained on vast, globally distributed datasets, ensuring greater diversity and reducing bias. We can have AI computations distributed across a network of individual contributors, making AI more accessible and democratized. Imagine an AI model that learns from real-time environmental data collected by thousands of individual sensors, or a decentralized network of GPUs powering the next generation of AI-driven applications. This synergy creates a powerful feedback loop. Depend provides the decentralized infrastructure for AI to thrive, and AI, in turn, can optimize and enhance Depend networks. So, why should you care about DependAI token projects? Simple, they represent an opportunity to participate in the foundational layers of the next digital era. These tokens often represent ownership in these decentralized networks, providing governance rights, utility within the ecosystem, and the potential for value appreciation as the network grows and matures. They're not just speculative assets, they're integral components of a new economic paradigm. Think of it as investing in the railroads of the 19th century or the internet infrastructure in the 1990s. We're talking about the fundamental building blocks of a future where data is more secure, computation is more distributed, and access to powerful technologies is democratized. Now, the big question, how do you get involved? This is where Newton comes in. Newton is designed to simplify your entry into the DependAI space, acting as a streamlined platform that aggregates information, provides analytical tools, and, crucially, offers a user-friendly interface for acquiring and managing these specialized tokens. It cuts through the complexity, allowing you to focus on the potential, rather than getting bogged down in technical hurdles. Let's break down how to use Newton to enter DependAI token projects, step by step. Step 1. Setting up your Newton account. The first thing you'll need to do is visit the official Newton website. Ensure you're on a legitimate site to avoid phishing scams. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up or get started. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Remember to use a strong, unique password and consider using a password manager. Newton will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Open that email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Next, for security purposes, Newton will require you to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) process. This is standard practice in the crypto space to comply with regulations and prevent illicit activities. You'll typically need to provide a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes a proof of address. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring your documents are clear and legible. The KYC process might take some time to be approved, so be patient. Once approved, your account will be fully functional. Step 2. Funding your Newton account. With your account set up and verified, the next step is to fund it. Newton typically supports various funding methods. The most common are bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits. For bank transfers, you'll usually find an option labeled Deposit Funds or similar. You'll be provided with Newton's bank account details, account number, bank name, etc. Initiate a transfer from your personal bank account to these details. Make sure to include any reference numbers or codes provided by Newton, as this helps them link the deposit to your account. Bank transfers can take a few business days to clear, depending on your bank and location. If you already hold cryptocurrencies, you can often deposit them directly into your Newton account. Look for the Deposit Crypto option. You'll be presented with a list of supported cryptocurrencies and their respective wallet addresses. For example, if you want to deposit Ethereum, you'll see an Ethereum wallet address unique to your Newton account. Copy this address carefully and paste it into your external wallet when initiating the transfer. Always double-check the address before sending, as a single wrong character can result in permanent loss of funds. Crypto deposits are generally faster than bank transfers, often appearing in your Newton account within minutes, depending on network congestion. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.